Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly release. Before we begin, understand this. This meditation is shifting your energy so powerfully. That person you desire will begin to feel an undeniable pull towards you. Not because you are chasing them, but because you are becoming irresistible. By the end of this, you will feel different. You will think differently. And most importantly, they will respond to you differently. If you are ready to become their number one priority, take a deep breath in and let's begin. Breathe in deeply through your nose, hold, and release slowly through your mouth. Let your body soften. Relax your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue rest. Feel yourself sinking into the present moment. With every breath, you are letting go of doubt, of fear, of wondering when. Because what is meant for you is already aligning. Now silently or out loud, repeat after me. I am chosen. I am prioritized. I am deeply desired. They think about me constantly. They feel drawn to me naturally. They cannot ignore how they feel about me. I am the one they want. I am the one they need. I am the one they choose again and again. I don't chase, I attract. They are rearranging their life for me right now. Every obstacle between us is dissolving. Every delay is clearing. Everything is aligning in my favor. I am their peace, their excitement, their home. They prioritize me without hesitation. They make time for me effortlessly. They choose me with certainty. I am unforgettable. I am magnetic. I am the only option in their heart. Now let those words sink in. Let them become your truth. Now imagine this. You receive a message from them. It's genuine. It's clear. It's exactly what you've been waiting for. Feel the excitement in your chest. They tell you how much they have been thinking about you, how they can't imagine their life without you, how they want to make things work fully, completely. Now go deeper. See them choosing you, making time for you, rearranging their schedule, their priorities, their life, just to be closer to you. Feel the security, the certainty. Feel what it's like to be their number one priority. You are no longer waiting. You are receiving. Let that feeling expand in your heart. This is your new normal. You are not an option. You are the priority. You are not chasing love. You are the center of it. They don't question choosing you because your energy makes it undeniable. From this moment forward, you walk like the chosen one. You think like the priority. You know you are the one. And they feel that. Take one deep breath in and slowly release. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Now, to lock this energy in, I want you to type this in the comments. I am always chosen and prioritized. This seals your intention and claims this reality. And if you're ready to manifest them even faster, visit joybyjanell.com. That's where I've created powerful tools to help you align your energy, remove blocks, and step fully into the version of you that naturally attracts the love you desire.